Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews. In this video, I will show you guys some of the best Cydia sources and repos where you can find packages for your iOS 11 device. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe for more videos and let's get started. The first one I'm going to show you is called Gmorm Beta Software. So right here are just a few packages, but most of them work with iOS 11. So you have Circa that will make your icons round. Then you have stuff like Eclipse X, which is still on beta right now, and it works of course on iOS 11. Then you have a tweak to get 5 icons on the dock of your device. Then you have Notch Be Gone, which is also on beta and works for the iPhone 10. So a few packages here, but some really cool ones, and as well Eclipse X, which is pretty awesome. Next is iOS Critics, which also doesn't have a lot of packages, but it has some really cool ones. So you have Noctis 11 right here. You have Roaster, which is pretty cool. It allows you to disable or enable notifications from the 3D touch menu. Then you have Little X right here, which will add like iPhone 10 like features, gestures and all that stuff to older devices. So some pretty cool packages right here within the iOS Critics repo. Next is Cydia Geek. This repo has quite a lot of tweaks and a lot of them are being updated right now to work with iOS 11. So you have like here by clock and date 11, which will remove the clock and date from the lock screen, and a bunch of other packages. Just make sure you go ahead and follow Cydia Geek on Twitter and you will find out there once every one of these packages are updated to work with iOS 11. A few of them work right now and a few of them are getting updated right now, so most of them will be compatible with iOS 11 pretty soon. Sparks repo is also a pretty cool one. It has a bunch of packages for iOS 11 like battery percentage X, which will add battery percentage to the status bar of the iPhone 10, hide bar X, you have music dock X, also you have other ones right here like tap time. It has some pretty cool auto unlock X right here. It has some pretty cool packages. Most of them are for the iPhone 10, so if you have a jailbroken iPhone 10, go ahead and add this repo. The next one is CP Digital Darkroom Beta Repo. So right here you can find some beta tweaks. There are some pretty cool ones like bar emoji for the iPhone 10. Then you have other ones like Fast Unlock 10. Also you have music bar, which I have shown you on a previous video. It's pretty cool. So a bunch of tweaks right here, and you will find the newest one from CP Digital Darkroom right here on their beta repo. So that's it for this video guys. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos. I will see you guys on the next one.